Hey y'all, guess what it's doing really bad now? It's raining. Oh, I'm in Louisiana, going south Louisiana like I didn't want to do, but the map somehow got me here. And we got a really bad thing of lightning, and I missed it to get it on video. So you guys like to hear the rain, watch the scenery. But story of my life, it's either raining or it's construction or there's a car accident or something's in the road. Ooh, it's getting harder than at first. But we're trucking along. We're gonna stop hopefully at a place to eat. But I was hoping to be on a major highway so we could do this, and I don't know how I fell for this route. I should have redone it. My fault. But for you guys, show you where I'm at. Alright. Love you guys. Bye.